Two Navy SEALs appearing in military court on charges they mistreated a suspect, a guy suspected of involvement in the brutal murders of 4 civilian contractors in Iraq. Special Warfare Operator Second Class Matthew McCabe is charged with assault, dereliction of duty, and making a false statement. Special Warfare Operator First Class Julio Huertas is accused of dereliction of duty and making a false statement. A third SEAL is to be arraigned at a later date. Our Kelly Wright is live in Washington, keeping a very close eye on this case. Tell us more about what's going on here, Kelly.
Yeah, John, first of all, I'll give you some background, official background from Special Operations Command Central, which says this case began back in September when evidence emerged of possible detainee abuse, and it came to light at a forward operating base in Iraq. That's when NCIS, the Naval Criminal Investigative Service, went in, uncovered evidence that one of the 3 sailors, one of the 3 SEALs is accused of punching Abed Hashim Abed in the face after the SEALs arrested him last September. The other 2 SEALs are accused of giving false statements about the incident, John. And as a result of that, you might recall that Ahmed Hashim Abed is believed to be the mastermind of that ambush that killed 4 Blackwater USA contractors in March 2004. The charred remains of the 2 of the victims were hung on a bridge over the Euphrates River. He now accuses the SEALs of giving him a fat lip. John?
So what happened during the arraignment?
Well, one of the SEALs' arraignment was postponed. The 2 that were in court today, Julio Huertas pleaded not guilty to all charges. His civilian attorney, Monica Lombardi, says that she is very confident her client will be found not guilty of all the charges. We're getting this information in from our station down there, Wavy TV. Matthew Vernon McCabe also requested to defer the case without entering a plea, John. The cases have been set for a trial in January. But, John, I'm also holding the charge sheets on all of these sailors, and Matthew McCabe says, quote, "I did not assault nor did I see anyone assault or abuse," and they go on to say Mr. in this blacked out, or words to that effect, which of course is what the Navy is taking issue with. They're saying that they were using this as a deceivement, actually deceiving the NCIS investigators to make sure that they could proceed with this case. And as a result of that, they could have chosen not to go through a court-martial, but they want to be on record that they did nothing wrong.
So that's why they went ahead and did it this way.
Absolutely, John. We're getting this as well from one of our colleagues in Atlanta, Marianne Silber, that the SEALs themselves chose court-martial. They could have had what's called a captain's mass, where their superior officers would have decided on punishment. However, that would have been an admission of guilt, and any reprimand would have remained on their permanent military records. In other words, they chose court-martial to have a chance of telling their sides in order to clear their names.
Kelly Wright.